In today's video, we're going to talk about Selenium IDE. So in our previous videos, we introduced how to use Selenium IDE. But in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about something very specific. And it's something that you might come across when you use Selenium IDE. And it's the problem where when you have drop-down lists within your website and you want to click something in your drop-down list, for example, HTML right here, your Selenium IDE, it's not able to do it properly. And so this problem happens very often with your Selenium IDE. And so today we're going to give you a naive sort of solution towards this problem. And although it's naive, although it's a very simple method, in practice it works very well to get over this issue. And in future videos, if we have more time, we can talk about some more complex methods to overcome this issue. So today, the website that we're going to be testing is admlucid.com, and what we want to do is we want to go to this drop-down list and we want to go to golf course. So I'm going to go ahead and click golf course, and the solution you have is to directly copy admlucid.com-golf. So once you copied URL for your destination, go ahead and open a Selenium IDE right here. So I opened up a Selenium IDE right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click record a new test in a new project. And this is going to be Selenium fix project. And then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to use this as the base URL right here. I'm going to start recording. So once I'm here, I'm going to click add golf course. And I'm going to sign in by pasting some sign-in information that I have. So give me 1 second. I'm going to paste this as the username or email, and I'm going to paste this as the password. Go ahead and log in. And now I'm going to enter some golf course information. So I'm going to go ahead and click golf course. And then I'm going to enter right here. I'm going to enter 100 Avenue. I'm going to enter LA. I'm going to enter CA. And then right here, I'm going to enter United States. And the description, I'll have golf course 1. And then right here, I have, it's a nice golf course. Owner will be John. The owner's email, I'll have right here. And then I'll have the phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to go ahead and create this. Once I'm done creating, I'm going to make sure I log out. And then I'm going to close the URL. And now I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to name the test fix. And then I can go to the very top and I can start it from there. But before I do that, I want to show you that within each of these, you have your command, which is click, and you have your target, which is basically a selector that you have for each of them. And so for some of them, for example, for here, they can have a bunch of different selectors that you can choose from, but I'm just going to keep the default. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the very start right here, and I'm going to click run all test. So we see it logs in, it enters information, and then it's done. Yeah, so that's a very naive method of how you can overcome the issue of drop-down lists. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for listening, and look forward to seeing you next time.